Welcome to Money Mind 2025, the podcast where smart thinking meets modern finance. I'm your host from SmartMoney Vision, and in today's very first episode, we're talking about something everyone needs to hear: the new rules of money in 2025. The old rules are broken. For decades, money advice stayed the same. Save 10%, invest in index funds, retire at 65. But 2025, that playbook is outdated. Why? Because we live in a time of higher interest rates, faster technology, and a world that moves in real time. Inflation doesn't sit still. Crypto, AI, and automation are disrupting the way we earn, save, and spend. So let's rewrite the rules. Rule number 1, cash flow is king. Forget only saving. In 2025, cash flow is everything. The question is no longer how much did you save, it's how fast can you recover and reinvest. Think in terms of income streams: a side hustle, rental income, dividends, affiliate revenue. The wealthy don't just save money, they make their money move. Rule number 2, liquidity greater than net worth. In volatile times, access to money beats net worth on paper. What good is having $1 million in assets if you can't access it in a crisis? Emergency funds, liquid portfolios. Quick access capital equals financial agility. Rule number 3, learn faster than the market. Financial literacy isn't optional anymore, it's survival. AI can predict trends, but you must adapt faster. Follow credible sources. Audit your money monthly. Use tech to make smarter decisions, not impulsive ones. Rule number 4, build optionality. Optionality means freedom. The freedom to switch careers, travel, invest in new ideas. The new rich don't just want money, they want options. Create systems that give you space, less debt, more flexibility, fewer rigid rules. So, what are the new rules of money in 2025? 1, cash flow over saving. 2, liquidity over net worth. 3, speed of learning over long-term certainty. 4, options over obligations. Stick with us for more episodes like this: deeper dives, smarter money, and future-focused finance. Subscribe to Money Mind 2025. Let's evolve the way we think about money. Until next time, stay sharp and stay future ready.